And swim right in and out of you, tell you she like the chills.
Again. Woo!
Licking the butter from your lily coy lips and deep sea diving for the oyster in your hips. I'm gonna suck your kiwi right through my teeth. I'm gonna split your pomegranate. I'm gonna suckle on your seeds.